Can't believe they're having fun without us. Shut up, Mario. Okay, what? Toad, you just did the weirdest thing I've ever seen out of you. Nah! Because I'm awesome. Toad, not that. It's not because you're awesome, it's because you're weird. Why? Can't you understand? I understand. Shut up. Fine, bossy pants. Ow! Boss pants. Whoa! No! Whoa! You suck. Ugh. We're having a party. Dude. Luigi stood up like a good cat. Oh, hey guys. One thing. Okay, what, Toad? Where's Yoshi? Yoshi and Cat Yoshi. Oh no. Ah. Like a couple hours later. Dude, those are good. Yes. Don't think about it. Oh, fine. You know what? Fine. Ow. Securing the life on by tackling you. Ow! 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 Never walk away on me like that. Again! Ow! Ow! So boring here. Going over here. I can't go through. Oh, yeah. Okay, no. House is by myself. Well, house is by myself. That don't make sense. Whee! Yo, dudes. What's up, Cat Yoshi? We've been waiting for you. To do what? Oh, it's because my name starts with cat. Ow! Ow! Dude, look, you suck. I don't care if I suck. Luigi, do you have anything to say? Good boy. You're the only bad kitty here. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna keep eating. Alright, guys. We got a plan. We need to make it outside. For what? Dude, you remember? Oh, yeah. If you want to be a wild, free cat, then I suggest you to get off y'all's lazy butt and help. No? Well, okay, fine. Yeah, no. Toad? What did you say? I said no, you stupid Luigi! Ow! Ow! Told you no. I love parties. a party kitty. Meow, 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 meow. I can even listen to Nyan Cat. Toad, you are so weird. Ugh. I'll just take this pillow right here. And sleep like this. It's gonna be worth it. Oh, I thought you wanted to be a wildcat. Oh! Toad! Rose! What the what? You're punished, Luigi, for saying what the what. What is not bad word, okay? What is what is a bad word? Guys, it's not. What is not a bad word? Okay? What is not a bad word? Come on, let's just escape all we can before Cat Yoshi just comes back and be like, you kids better go to sleep, you little punk morons. I know how Cat Yoshi is. Fun. Oh, Luigi, you want to sleep with me? No. I'll sleep right here. I love corners. You mean cracks? Yeah. Okay, whiny. Back with Yoshi. I wonder what I could cook for supper. I mean, there's not much left in here, but because we're moving out, of course. Or you could say we have a party and everybody decided to go garage sailing. Wait a freaking second. This is not my room. Light must be on. Okay. I'm safe now. Yoshi. See you later. Bye.